How to connect your Xbox account to your Ubisoft account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can connect your Xbox account to your Ubisoft account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser on either your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar, simply type in ubisoft.com. After that, simply make sure you are logged into your Ubisoft account. So as you can see, I'm currently not logged in. So I'll simply log into my Ubisoft account. Now, once you've logged in, you'll have to tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen and then simply scroll down and then tap on the option Account Management. Now, once you've done that, you will be redirected to another page where you'll have to simply tap on the option Account Information. After that, scroll down until you see the option Linked Accounts. There, if you tap on this right arrow, you can see that Xbox is one of them. So as you can see, my Xbox account is not yet linked to my Ubisoft account. So if you want to link this, tap on the option Link. After that, tap on the option Continue. Now, once you've done that, a new window will pop up where it'll simply ask you to log into your Xbox account. So scroll down and then tap on the option Yes. After that, if it finds your account over here, simply tap on the option Continue. But if you don't find your account, all you have to do is simply enter your email address or your phone number, whichever one is linked to your Xbox account. After that, enter your password, and once you've entered both of those, tap on the option Continue. And then, as you can see, you have successfully linked your Xbox account to your Ubisoft account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.